Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Before going into the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you like the videos, please like, share and comment. Okay, let's start. Today our topic is 4 variable K-map. So 4 variable K-map can be represented as f of a comma b comma c comma d. These can be written as draw a box. We need to write variables on either side of this line, so we need to take two combinations. It has 4 variables, two combinations can be taken, and that can be written on either sides. You can take a c b d or a b c d or a d b c, anything you can take. Write two combinations on either side of this line, and for two combinations there will be possible binary codes are 4, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. These are gray codes. These are actually gray codes. We need to write in gray codes. Okay, for this AB, the combinations, possible combinations are 4, 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. These are also in gray codes. So we need to write decimal equivalent here. 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0 1 is 1, and 0 1 1 is 3, 0 1 0 0 1 0 is 2. In this way we need to write its decimal equivalent. Carefully write the decimal equivalent. If you write these numbers wrong, then you will get then you can't minimize the expression in right form. So each cell, in 4 variables we have 2 power 4 cells. 2 power 4 in the sense 16 cells, 4 rows and 4 columns. 16 cells are present. Each cell represents its minterm, and 16 cells and 16 minterms are there. Each cell represents its corresponding minterm, m0, m1, m3, m2 and so on, m12, m13, m14, m15, m14, m8, m9, m11, m10. So in this way write its corresponding minterms. So this is the 4 variable K-map. Actually, how to minimize the expression we need to see now by taking an example. So now let us take this question as example. In this, it is a 4 variable. First, see how many variables are given. It is a 4 variable expression, and here they have given. So we need to it is 4 variables, so it has 16 cells. So draw the 4 variable K-map. 1, 2 and 3, 4 columns and 4 rows. We need to draw like this, and take two variables on one side of this line and take two variables on other side. Let us take in a sequence way for better. WX and YZ. Take this and write its combination 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Gray code should be written 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Write its equivalent decimal number. 0 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 is 1, 0 0 1 1 is 3, right? 0 0 1 0 is 2, and 0 1 0 0 is 4, 0 1 0 1 is 5, 0 1 1 1 is 7, 0 1 1 0 is 6, 1 1 0 0 is 12, 8 plus 4, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1 is 13, 1 1 1 1 is 15, and 1 1 1 0 is 14, 1 0 0 is 8, 1 0 0 1 is 9, 1 0 1 1 is 11, 1 0 1 0 is 10. So we have written this. So they have given what are the minterms which has the 1, m0, m1, m2. They have given these minterms. So write 1 in their respective minterms box, in respective minterm cell. So 0, write 1, 1 is given 1, again 2, write 1 in 2 box, second box, and write 4 5 6, 4 5 6, write 1 in their respective boxes, and 8 9 12, 8 9 12 and 13 14, 13 14. Okay, remaining all are write it as 0, And now we go for the pairing. First, here we have 4 variables, so possible number of combination pairing is 6 ones can be paired, but we have zeros here, so this is not possible. 2 power 3, next 2 power 3 is 8. 8 pairings can be possible or not. Let's see here. We can see here 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. These 8 ones are adjacent to each other, so these can be paired. So 8 pairing is possible, so this can be paired. Let us name it as one loop, and remaining ones are 1 2 3. 3 ones are there, so go for the 4 pairings is 2 power 2. 8 ones, 8 pairing, 8 1 pairing is possible, that is 1 only. Here again 8 ones is not possible because it has only 3 ones, so go for the 2 power 2. 2 power 2 pairings are 4. Is it possible 4 pairing? Yes, it is possible because it is like a cyclic, so we can take these 2 ones paired with these 2. These 2 are adjacent to each other. Actually, these corners are adjacent, these corners and these corners are adjacent to each other, so that can be pairable. So these ones and these ones are paired, and here second loop, we get the second loop. Fourth looping is done with these 2, and we got second loop. And for another, if we are left with this one only, is there any possibility for this one to be paired in 4-1 pairing? To be paired in 4-1 pairing, yes, there is a possibility. This one, and this one can be paired, so it is paired in 4 pairings, right? 4-1 pairings, so it is possible. Go for the maximum number of pairing, maximum number of 1 pairings. Okay, this is a, let us name it as a third loop. So write the expression for first loop. What is the expression for first loop? First, see, in these 3, w is changing from 0 0 is there first 2 rows, in last 2 rows it is 1 1, that is varying, so ignore the variable which is varying. And x is also changing. See, in first 2 rows 0 1, and in last 2 1 0, so it is changing regularly. In these 2 columns, if you see yz values, 0 is there in first column, and second column also 0. It is not varying, it is constant, so write y. But y is what? 0, so write y dash. Z is varying from first column to second column, from 0 to 1, so it is varying, ignore that variable. So first loop is completed. For second loop, here if you see these 2 ones and these 2 ones, in these 2 ones the columns y value is 1 here, where in these 2 ones the y value is 0. It is varying, so ignore that. In this z value is 0, in this column z value is 0, so z value is constant, write z. But what is the value of z? 0, so write z dash. So this columns is finished. If you see these 2 rows, these 2 1 rows, in this row w is 0, these 2 ones, in this row w is 0, and in this row also w is 0, so w is not varying, it is same, so write w, but that the value is 0, write w dash. In this x is 0 in this row, these 2 ones we are saying, in this row x is 0 and x is 1 in this row, so x is varying, ignore that. So we have finished this. And for third one, here if you see column 1 0, value of y is 1, in these 2 ones value of y is 0, that is varying, ignore that. Here in this the value in these 2 ones value of z is 0, in this the value of z is 0, so it is the same, write z, but the value is 0, z dash. And in this column the value of w is 0, in this column the value of w is 1, so it is varying, ignore that. Go for the value of x, these 2 ones, these 2 ones, so in these 2 ones the value of x is 1, and in this also the value of x is 1. Yes, x is not varying, write x value is 1, write it as x only. So our boolean, a minimized boolean expression is y dash plus z dash omega dash plus w dash plus z dash x. In this way we need to solve our 4 variable K-map. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.